Hey you guys, I have a ton of products to share with you from Tonic Studios. So they had asked me a couple months back if I wanted to do sort of like ambassador type of design team work for them, I guess. I don't know. And I said yes, of course. I love Tonic Studios products. So I got my package and they sent me amazing stuff from the Merry and Bright collection and some random tools and stuff, but I want to show you guys all of what I got. All of the supplies are listed down below in the description box, so be sure to check it out if you are wanting to pick any of this up. And I guess let's get into the video. Let's start with the card blanks and envelopes. So these measure 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, and they look really nice. I'm not going to bother opening them because I was prepared and I got all of the paper out of the package before I started the video so I wouldn't crackle too much. All right, so I think there's 10 in here, so that's really nice, and they feel like they're really let's see, cards are 111 pound and envelopes are 44, so 111 is pretty good weight of cardstock. All right, so next is the Merry and Bright patterned paper. And to be honest, I didn't even know Tonic Studios made patterned paper, but I absolutely love this color combination. It's like traditional with a like twist. It's really nice because the red and the green, but it's almost like a muted red and green, and then with the gray, really cool. It's almost like a mint green, to be honest. All right, so we have red stripe, red polka dot, and we got a few sheets of those, lots of sheets of those. Maybe 6 per pattern. All right, we got the stars, which I absolutely love, and then you got a chevron pattern in the back. Really cute. And we have harlequin, I think that is, and like some circles and dots. Let's see if I can show that on here. There we go. Really nice pattern. And then we have some red and green stripes and red and green polka dots. And that's it. So really nice kind of basic pattern papers for some Christmas cards, or you know, the gray ones can even be used for any time, to be honest. Some of these, most of them actually, really nice. All right, so next is, let's see, it is 8 designs, 6 of each, 24 sheets total. I don't know the weight of the paper. It doesn't say. It's not very thick, but it's not like your thinnest pattern paper either. So it's kind of an in-betweener, just in case anybody was wondering. All right, so we have spearmint green. This is 80 pound and it's textured. It has a little bit of texture, but the back is flat, which is nice just in case you need that specific color and you don't have one in a flat already. You can just flip it over and stamp on the back if you need to. So this is Craft Perfect Classic Cardstock, 8.5 by 11. So got that one. Then we have Candy Red, Craft Perfect. Again, it's textured. Then we have this one here, which is Mirror Cards. There's 5 sheets in here. This is Smooth Mint. I love these papers. I wish I had all of them, to be honest. All of the like flat, or it's like high, it says high gloss, but it's almost like a matte gloss. It's really cool. It's got those, and this one is really cool as well. This is foiled craft card, silver strokes, so you can color the craft if you want to, or leave it, you know, as is. And there's 5 sheets of those in here. So really cool. All right, then we have, this is, oh, it's shimmery. I didn't even know that. Oh, it's so pretty. Crimson Silk embossed card. So it has some texture on there. I don't know if the camera's gonna be able to pick that up or not. Hopefully it does. It's really, really pretty. And then there's 5 sheets. Did I say that already? 5 sheets of that in there. And we got this one. This is Glitter Card Turquoise Lake. 5 sheets of that. I love their glittered cardstock because it's nice and thick, but the glitter doesn't come off. I'm not a big fan of glitter, so like loose glitter, like it's everywhere. All right, this one is really different and cool. Geometric Galaxy. This has 5 sheets. Handcrafted cotton papers. Ooh, interesting. That's kind of cool. That one. This one's cool as well. This one looks like, has like sequins all over it or something. Really, really cool. Or like really chunky glitter. This one's Ruby Gemstone, 5 sheets. It seems as though the specialty cardstock has 5 sheets. Oh no, they all do. Maybe? Do they? Yeah, no, the classic cardstock has 10 sheets. All right. So it's like black and then red. Really, really cool. All right, and then I got some 12 by 12 spearmint green and candy red. Great. Let's move these out of the way. And they sent me some tools. So they sent me some little snips, mini snips, which I already have some of these, but you can never have too many scissors, especially with kids around, and they tend to take them and lose them. And then they sent me some of the bigger ones, the black ones, which I really like because I've needed some, another pair of these. 7-inch, so cool. And then I got the retractable craft pick. It's really nice. And then they sent me a precision glide folder, like a bone folder. Let me see. Ooh, this is really nice. I don't know if this is Teflon. It doesn't say, but it feels like it. It's really nice. I love that this is like thinner at the tip, especially when you're trying to score. And then this one's flatter, so you can kind of varnish the card there. All right, so that's that. And let's see, they sent me some dual tipped alcohol marker pens. Really pretty colors. This one's Emerald Seas. And then it tells you the numbers and the name of the pen on the back. All right, then we have Marion Bright Hybrid ink pads. I don't think I've ever used a Nuvo ink pad before, but this is Sliced Strawberry, Moroccan Teal, and Marble Statue. So really, really cool. Then they sent, I opened this up because I was really curious. So they sent this glitter marker, smooth flowing glitter marker pen. So I'm gonna show you guys. You could see my horrible handwriting. But I was really amazed at how fine that glitter is. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see it. Maybe a little bit. Very, very fine glitter in there. Really cool pen. I wish I just had better handwriting. But all right, there's that. And then they sent me these. I really like these. I have a bunch of them already. This is a Marion Bright collection, Aqua Flow pens. grenadine red, tomato juice, and empress teal. So those. And they sent me some mica mist. And this one is Burl Swirl. I'm sorry, I can't say that. Beryl, I don't know, B-E-R-Y-L, Beryl. Really pretty green. This one is Crimson Velvet. Really, really pretty. Again, most of this is kind of a collection with the Merry and Bright, so it all coordinates together. All right, then they sent some sequins and some other little goodies here. So we have Tropical Oasis, Pure Sheen Sequins. They've got some smaller ones in there, larger ones. Let's see. There we go. Really nice. And then these are Fiery Phoenix Circles. Really cool for maybe some shaker cards or something. And some Pure Sheen Glitter Strawberry Sorbet. Really, really fine glitter. And these I absolutely love. These are Mermaid Parade Stars. Here we go. And let's see, some embossing powders. So we have Sports Car Red. And then we have Turquoise Lagoon. I love this color. Really, really pretty. All right. Then they sent some Glimmer Paste, which is, what color? Esmeralda Green. Really, really pretty. And let's do these. All right. So this one is Blushing Red. Nouveau Drop, Crystal Drops. This one is Red Sunstone. So it's probably clear with like red glitter in it. And this one is Aqua Plains. Does that say plains? Yes. And this one is Silver Crystals. All right, then this I'm really excited to try is a shimmer powder. Create beautiful metallic color bursts, Lunar Rocket. Let's see if you guys can see that. It's not gonna focus. All right, I love how everything is designed so pretty. So when you, if you want to display everything, you can. It looks really nice, cohesive together, and all of that sort of thing. All right, so that is what they sent me. Oh, I lied. They also sent me a craft, or what is it? A glass media mat. I already have one, so I'm keeping that one in the box just in case something happens. Oh, I take that back. They sent me some Nouveau embellishment mousse. This one is Honeydew. Oh, showing you the top, like you guys can see the color from the top. Really, really pretty. And this one is Fusion Red. Really, really pretty as well. So that is what they had sent me. Thank you so much, Tonic Studios, and be on the lookout for some projects from me. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. All of the supplies are listed in the description box down below. And let's see, leave me a comment letting me know what your favorite product was, or if you have any of these products. If you haven't tried Tonic Studios products yet, just even say hi. I love reading them. All right, I want to thank you guys again for watching, and I'll catch you guys later.